Welcome to the future, SpaceX and T-Mobile's exciting merger. With technology evolving rapidly, we're on the precipice of a thrilling era. Enter SpaceX and T-Mobile, leading this tech revolution. SpaceX's Starlink project, a satellite network to provide global broadband coverage, is set to redefine our digital connectivity landscape. Concurrently, T-Mobile, a telecom giant, consistently pushes boundaries with advanced 5G technology, promising unprecedented speed and reliability. Their collaboration, therefore, promises synergistic innovation, marrying terrestrial and extraterrestrial technologies to expand network reach and capabilities. Imagine receiving signal in remote locations or even on a transatlantic flight. This merger could make that possible. SpaceX and T-Mobile's collaboration could indeed be a game changer. Stay tuned to see how this tech marriage unfolds.